These three students in Sweden almost got banned from their university for creating an AI learning system.
The first month we launched, we reached €130,000 ARR. It was like pure word of mouth growth.
They actually called us in and wanted us to stop what we were doing.
This is Isabel, Andreas and Eric, and in the last 6 months, they dropped out of college, moved into a 25 square meter apartment and snuck into a Google event, all on a mission to reinvent how people learn.
Is the best way to learn stuff by reading a book or going to lectures and such? I don't think so, personally.
The year is 1088 and Bologna opens the first university for the smartest people across the world. 1,000 years later, the system hasn't changed because while universities cost more than ever, 40% of students will drop out before they finish their degree.
I have ADHD. I managed school. I did get the good grades, but it was very tough.
Everyone learns differently. It's a system that needs to be personalized and adapt for every human that learns in different ways.
So instead of forcing students to learn the old-fashioned way, they left their lives behind and bet everything on Klar.
Basically, it's your private teacher in your phone or your laptop or whatever.
If you need flashcards, if you need a video, if you need an image, if you need an explainer, a summary, a test to quiz yourself on, it can do that, and it always knows where you're at.
Thousands of students were waiting to learn differently. It was time to turn Klar from an idea into reality.
I've always had these big visions and big ideas that I wanted to create. When Lovable came and I first tried it out, it completely changed everything for me. We now have a partnership with a company that's owning all the economic facilities in Sweden. That's 35,000 students.
And now we are going to be around all of Sweden. We have some things going on in the US and also Europe, Spain, Madrid. We obviously have like students or friends that reach out to us and said like, hey, thank you so much. I had such a bad teacher and I still passed because of you guys. And I was like, okay, that feels good.
And now the same university that tried to stop them is asking to work with them because after 1,000 years of education, all it took was 3 friends to change it.